learning friends. It's Dr. Deanna, and I have some special superpower listening practice for you today. I brought our barn along today to help us practice, and our special learning friend, Bella Bun. She has some things in common with the animals that we're going to be talking about today. Some rabbits live on a farm. Now, Bella does not live in a barn. She lives inside the house with us, and she has a big area for her to roam and move around, which is super important for rabbits. But today, she's going to hang out with us, and she's going to help us listen to our ending sound. All right. So, remember, our beginning sounds we hear when we tap our shoulder. Our middle sounds we hear when we tap our elbow. And our ending sounds we hear when we tap our wrist. So, we're going to listen to some words, and we're going to practice listening to our ending sounds with a game of I'm thinking of, and you get to guess, and we'll see if we're right, because the answers are hiding in the barn. All right. The first thing I'm thinking of is an animal that lives on the farm and ends in an Let's see. Is it a cow? Well, a cow does live on a farm, but a cow does not end in I don't think it's a cow. All right. Let's try another one. The next word I'm thinking of is sun. Sun does end in an but sun is not an animal that lives on the farm. So I don't think it's sun. Let's try another one. Look what I have right here. Hen. Hen. Do you hear the N at the end of hen? I wonder, is a hen an animal that lives on a farm? Let's find out. Here we go. We are right. We guessed correctly. A hen is an animal that lives on the farm, and hen ends in the sound N. Now, you might know the letter that says that sound, but I want you to save that knowledge for later when we learn about phonics and the letters that say those sounds. Because right now, I just want you to focus on using your superpower listening skills to get ready to be really fluent and smooth readers. All right, let's try another one. I'm thinking of a word that ends in and it's not an animal, but it is something that can be made from sweet berries that grow on a farm. Let's try and see. Pig. Pig. Well, a pig does live on a farm, but a pig is an animal. And remember, I said that the item we're thinking of is not an animal. And the item I'm thinking of ends in So let's see, does pig? No, that's a g. Probably not pig. Let's try another one. What about jam? Jam. Do you hear that at the end? That might be a thumbs up. And wait a minute. Do we make jam from berries? Sweet berries that grow on the farm? All right, I think it might be jam. But let's try one more, and then we can check to see. I think it's jam, but let's try one more. What about corn? Well, corn does grow on the farm, and it can be sweet, some types of corn. But I hear a corn at the end. I don't hear a I think our best answer might be jam. Let's take a look and see if we're right. Let's take a look. All right, are we correct? We got it right. Jam is something sweet that we make from berries that grow on the farm. And it ends in jam. All right, very good. Let's try one more. I'm thinking of an animal that lives on the farm and is a big help on the farm. All right. But the animal's name or the animal word ends in a geek, 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 geek. All right. So let's try. Let's see the first one. Camel. Wait a minute. Does a camel live on a farm? Probably not. Most camels live in the desert in certain parts and regions in our world. A region is an area of the world. I don't think camels are usually living in barns on farms. Plus, I'm looking for a word that ends in geek, geek, geek. And camel ends in camel. Thumbs down. I don't think the word I'm looking for is camel. Let's try another one. What about a pig? Well, a pig does live on the farm. And, a pig does end in a g, g, g. That sounds like it might be it. Let's try one more, though, before we guess. I'm going to try another one. Lion. Lion does not end in a g, g, g. It ends in a probably not lion. Plus, lions usually do not live on farms in a barn. I bet the best answer choice is pig. All right, let's see if I'm right. I'm going to go and check in my barn. And I'm right. I guessed pig. And pig ends in a and a pig is an animal that lives on the farm. I've had so much fun with you today listening to our ending sound. We have been using our superpower listening skills, and I look forward to teaching to your superpowers next time, one child at a time.